Salad niçoise is a hearty French salad typically made with hard-boiled eggs, olive oil, olives, and tomatoes. It's traditionally served as a meal in the Provence region of France. The original niçoise salad didn't contain lettuce, anchovies, or any cooked ingredients like green beans and potatoes. But nowadays it's common to see these ingredients, plus possibly onions, cucumbers, white beans, radishes, capers, tuna, and artichoke hearts. I'm going to share with you my version of this classic salad using ingredients I found at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. First, let's cook 8 ounces of small potatoes. These are a mix of baby Yukon Golds and red potatoes. Place them in a medium saucepan. I'm going to cover them with cold water. Add about a teaspoon of sea salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer, uncovered for about 10 minutes or until they're fork tender. Drain the potatoes, and when they're cool enough to handle, slice them in half. Next, cook 1 cup of green beans. We're going to fill another saucepan with water and add sea salt to taste. Bring this to a boil. Also fill a bowl with some salted ice water. Add the green beans to the boiling water. Cook them for a few minutes just until they're crisp tender, but still bright green. Place the cooked green beans in the ice water to cool them down. Drain them and pat dry. Now boil 4 eggs by placing them in a saucepan and covering them with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Then cover, remove from the heat, and set a timer for 11 minutes. Drain the eggs and place them in an ice bath or run them under cold water to make them easier to peel. I also like to peel them under cold running water. To make our lemon vinaigrette dressing, we're going to whisk together in a bowl 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 to 2 anchovies chopped or smushed with a fork, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of brown or Dijon mustard, and sea salt and pepper to taste. I'm using white pepper. Slice 1 cup of cherry tomatoes in half. Place them in a small bowl and add a little sea salt and pepper to taste. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the lemon vinaigrette to the cooked potatoes and toss. Slice the hard-boiled eggs in quarters. Now wash one medium-sized head of either Boston lettuce or any lettuce of your choice. I'm using romaine lettuce. Separate the leaves. The remaining ingredients we're going to need for our niçoise salad are 1/2 cup of pitted Kalamata olives, 7 ounces of canned tuna, and 2 tablespoons of capers. Now I'm going to add 4 artichoke hearts that have been drained and sliced in half. Serve the salad by making 4 to 6 individual plates or arrange it on one big serving platter. Add the lettuce, tuna, potatoes, green beans, eggs, artichoke hearts, capers, cherry tomatoes, and Kalamata olives. Now drizzle with the remaining dressing. Enjoy your niçoise salad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.